SOLIDWORKS Composer enables you to go to market faster while creating a more engaging experience for manufacturing operations. This process is further streamlined when your technical communication projects are managed with SOLIDWORKS PDM, enabling you to work anytime and anywhere, providing release and change automation, and ensuring you're working with the latest version of the design data and assembly instructions. For the technical writer, use PDM's offline mode when you're disconnected from the network to create and modify your deliverables in the same vault. No need to copy and paste when you get back to the office. Just go back to online mode and simply add all of your new documents with a push of a button. Use SOLIDWORKS PDM workflows to track the progress of your projects and notify team members when their input is necessary. With the final version of the design automatically downloaded, updating your project is easy. No need to search for the latest version. The automatic version management is especially important for the assembly technician. As soon as they get to work, they use the correct version of their instructions with no additional effort. SOLIDWORKS Composer not only enables you to get a jump start on creating technical documentation, but helps you do it smarter with the integration of SOLIDWORKS PDM.